Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve an interesting exponential equation that is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. We need to find the value of x. So let's try the solution. So for this, first we express 8 as a cube root of q of 2, that is 2 to the power q. Now the expression becomes 2 to the power 3 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Now we know the formula like a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power mn equals to a to the power nm equals to a to the power n to the power m. So the equation becomes 2 to the power x to the power cube plus 2 to the power x equals to 10. Now if we consider that 2 to the power x equals to p, then the equation becomes p to the power cube plus p equals to 10. Now we are going to move that 10 to the left side like this. So the equation becomes p cube plus p minus 10 equals to 0. Now we can express that p equals to 5p minus 4p. If we split that 10, that is 5 into 2. So we can write here p to the power cube plus 5p minus 4p minus 10 equals to 0. Now in the next step we are going to just swap these two numbers like 4p plus 5p minus 10 equals to 0. Now if we take common just p, so the rest part will be p square minus 4, and if we take common from these two expression 5, so the rest part will be p minus 2 equals to 0. So here we know the formula like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. So same here, if we put p square minus 2 square and p like this, so now split that formula p plus 2 into p minus 2, and the rest part will be 5 into p minus 2 equals to 0. Now we are seeing that p minus 2 is common from both expressions, so we are going to take common p minus 2 and the rest part will be p into p plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. So we are going to more simplify that equation, like p square plus 2p plus 5 equals to 0. Now we are seeing that two product of two expression is 0. So one expression should be equals to 0 or the other expression should be equals to 0. So for case 1, if we take p minus 2 equals to 0, that is p equals to 2, and before we have already let that p is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 2. Now we can write 2 as 2 to the power 1, as a is equal to a to the power 1. Okay, so from this we are seeing that the base of two sides is same and the base is 2, so we can write x equals to 1. So we got one solution from here, that is x is equal to 1. Now we are going to find another solution for the case 2. That is p square plus 2p plus 5 equals to 0. Now the above equation is like a quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So one root of the above expression should be p is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we can see a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 5. So if we put here minus b plus minus b, put here minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 by 2 into 1. So the equation becomes p equals to 2 plus minus root over 4 minus 20 by 2. So now p equals to plus minus root over minus 16 by 2. We can write that 16 minus 16 as a multiply of 16 into minus 1 by 2. Now the equation becomes p equals to minus 2 plus minus root over 16 into root over minus 1 by 2. So now 2 plus minus 4i, as in complex number we can express root over minus 1 is equal to I. Now we divide both sides by 2 from the expression, and the expression will becomes like this, that will cancel out minus 1 plus minus 2i. If we consider positive sign, then p equals to minus 1 plus 2i. That is, we have already taken p as a 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2i. If we consider log both sides, 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i log, that is x log 2 log minus 1 2i as log a to the power m is equal to m into log a. Now if we divide by log 2 by both sides, then log 1 minus I like this, so that will cancel out and x will becomes log minus 1 by 2i by log 2, and it will becomes log minus 1 plus 2i base 2 as log a base c by log b base c will be equals to log a b. So the second value of x log 2i minus 1 2. If we take minus sign, then p is equal to minus 1 minus 2i, that is 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. If we take log both sides, 2 to the power x minus 1 log of minus 1 minus 2i, then x log 2 is equal to log of minus 1 minus 2i. If we divide by log 2 from both sides, that is log minus 1 minus 2i by log 2. If we cancel out, that's log 2, it becomes x is equal to log minus 1 minus 2i by log 2, again log minus 1 by minus 2i base 2. This is the second answer. So we have find three solutions for the equation. So x have two complex solution and another one real number of solution. I hope you understand, and thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Thank you.